How to log in to your Bybit account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Bybit account. So let us begin. First, if you have the Bybit account, the Bybit app, simply open it up. If you don't have it, go to your App Store or Google Play Store and install it. After you install it, open it up and you will see the option that says sign up/login. Tap on sign up/login and right there you will see email and mobile number. Now there are two options. To log in, you can simply use your Google account or your Apple ID or your Telegram too. I will simply use my email. So you can type your email here and the password here, or you can simply type your mobile number here and the password there. I will use my Google account, so you can do whichever you want. So after you choose your way of logging in, go through with the process and you will get a verification code at your mail. So you can simply go there and check your mail and you will get the mail, and you can simply type the verification code in and there you have it. You've just logged in into your Bybit account. And that is all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and